So let's talk about why customer success came to be a thing. Traditionally, in business to business sales, you've got Maria, the office manager here. She hears her team needs some pencils. She goes out, she buys them, she puts them in the supply cabinet, and people use them when they're ready to use them. Run out, they buy more. That's faster than she thought it would be or slower. It doesn't really matter. It's not like pencils expire. She doesn't really need to justify the expense. People understand what a pencil is for. Customer success is really invented to address those complexities that are unique to the software industry. Sales cycles tend to be very complex, meaning you may have to have somebody from an information security team involved, technical people, as well as the budget holder that may or may not be from any of those other teams. Today's professionals use an average of 80 applications on the job. And so most don't understand why they're being asked to use some of those, or they don't bother to learn a lot of the features. Others may not even know they have access, especially if change management isn't executed well within their company. End users might need something completely different. Each team might configure things differently. And those expectations may be well aligned to the value proposition that was important to the budget holder, or they may not. The beauty of software is that it can meet a lot of different needs, and it's also hosted in the cloud, so it can constantly be updated so that you've got the latest and greatest innovations. That also means that customers have to be constantly educated about how it works and what to expect next. And renewals are far from guaranteed. Renewals are super critical to tech companies, though, even more than other industries, because that complex sales cycle, all those different people involved, and a much longer sales cycle mean that customer acquisition costs are really high. So customers need to remain with a company for quite some time in order for them to really make a profit. Let's dive into that a little bit more.